Hello my YouTube family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you that how to add GIF into your PDF in InDesign. So the process is very easy, you just have to follow me step by step, and let's dive into the video without wasting any time. So here you can see that in order to add a static GIF, you can use the export as a command to create an image from any layer or document with an embedded GIF file, and then drag the image into your PDF document. And for an animated GIF, you can export your GIF as a movie file using QuickTime, and then use the film options to embed the movie file into your PDF. Alternatively, you can export your GIF as a TIFF file and then use Photoshop or GIMP to convert the TFF file into an animated GIF file. And then you have to simply go to this file option and choose this place option over here, and you can place your GIFs anywhere you want. And that's how you add GIF to your InDesign into PDF. You can use GIF for this process, and that's a process that you can follow to add GIF into PDF in InDesign. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.